Hi everyone, welcome back to this video series on the Additive Build Extension. Previous videos covered creating a metal Powderbed Fusion setup, assigning build strategies, orientation and supports. This video will cover generating and simulating the toolpath and creating the build file for the MPBF machine. To generate the toolpath, right click on the Additive Toolpath item in the setup and select Generate. Toolpath generation may take a minute or two depending on the complexity of the job, so please be patient. Having generated your toolpath, navigate back to the Additive Toolpath item in the setup and select Simulate Additive Toolpath. This opens the Simulate Additive Toolpath dialog and displays the toolpath simulation of the build. The simulation settings in the dialog can be changed to meet the user's needs. In this case, display the current layer only and show every 10th layer. This helps show more clearly the differences in the border count and hatch pattern toolpaths from the different body presets assigned earlier. After verifying the additive toolpath, the final step is to generate the build file for the MPBF machine. In this case, the REN AM500Q, an MTT file is required. Right-click on the Additive Toolpath item and select Create Machine Build File. Check the build file extension and click OK to create the build file. Great. Load that build file onto the machine and start the build. Here's the build job running on the Renishaw 500Q machine. And finally, the finished build and the final result. Thanks very much for watching this video series on the Additive Build Extension. If there are any questions, please reach out on the Fusion 360 forums at forums.autodesk.com.